What if I told you that a single operation this year just changed the way India fights wars forever? Hi, I'm Maya from Bharat First Forum, and today we're diving into the jaw-dropping story of Operation Sindoor, where the Indian Air Force pulled off an electronic warfare masterstroke that's got the whole world talking. Picture this. It's July 2025. Tensions on the Indo-Pak border are red hot after a wave of terror attacks. In response, India launches Operation Sindoor, a tri-services campaign targeting not just militant camps, but heavily fortified Pakistani military bases deep across the border. But here's the real plot twist. This wasn't a usual air raid. This was the moment India unleashed its new age of electronic warfare. For the first time ever, Indian forces managed to capture and decode the complete electronic and digital fingerprints of China-made JF-17 and J-10C fighter jets, plus those formidable HQ-9 air defense radars. What does that mean? Imagine being able to recognize an enemy jet the moment it powers up, no matter what tricks it pulls, no matter what disguise it tries. That's the magnitude of what happened. These electronic signatures, radar emission profiles, signal hopping patterns, secret command codes, even the thermal fingerprint from jet engines are the holy grail for any modern military. With such data, the IAF can now spot, classify and target hostile aircraft and missile systems instantly. Even if they switch radio calls or try to jam us, our systems will see right through it. But it doesn't stop there. These signatures are now inside every Indian missile seeker, every air defense library, making our strikes pinpoint and our shields nearly impenetrable. Think about it. As soon as a threat appears, our assets know exactly what they're dealing with and respond perfectly in sync, whether it's bringing down a stealth jet or spoofing an incoming missile. How did we pull this off? Indian innovation, that's how. We're talking about the X-Guard, an AI-powered homegrown decoy just 30 kilos in size that outsmarts enemy radars and missiles. Indian Rafales flew with these, shrugging off attacks and capturing priceless data at the same time. Add in our new directed energy weapons and next-gen drone busters from DRDO, and you've got a defense force that's truly self-reliant and a few light years ahead in electronic camouflage and countermeasures. Let's break down what these electronic signatures actually are. Radar profiles, unique sounds each plane or radar makes in radio waves. Crack the code and you know their identity. Signal hopping patterns, how enemy jets flip frequencies to avoid detection. Map it out and you jam them right back. Command codes, secret digital handshakes between aircraft and missiles. Crack them and you spoof or hijack enemy systems. Thermal fingerprints, distinct heat emissions. Copy these and you design better decoys and smarter missiles. And here's a fact that'll blow your mind. For years, India's EW electronic warfare teams were mostly in a defensive mode, jamming threats at best. But Operation Sindoor flipped the game, using real-time AI surveillance, digital deception and cyber spoofing at a scale never seen in South Asia. Get this. Pakistani forces were so fooled by our AI decoys, they publicly claimed kills of Indian fighters that never even existed. Meanwhile, our teams recovered parts of Chinese origin PL-15 missiles that crashed, giving us secret insights into Chinese missile tech. Even better, India managed all this without losing a single frontline aircraft. Zero losses, maximum gain. The impact is so huge that all this captured data was pumped straight into simulators and weapon software, not just within India, but shared with friendly countries for joint defense. For the first time, India is setting the pace in a tech-driven cat-and-mouse race in the skies, and rivals are scrambling to keep up. Yet if you think this arms race is over, think again. In the shadowy world of electronic warfare, today's breakthrough is tomorrow's baseline, and adaptation moves fast on all sides. If you found this breakdown mind-opening, here's what you can do. Like and share if you want more behind-the-box access to India's defense innovations. Subscribe and drop your questions below. What do you want to know about EW in India's next big challenge? Would you like real stories from IAF officers or DRDO engineers? Your curiosity drives us. This is Maya from Bharat First Forum reminding you, India just flipped the script in aerial warfare and the world is watching. Stay alert, stay informed.